to come on over here to Cookies by Design. You said you love the cookies as opposed to the bouquet.
Yes.
So we're going to talk to Gilliam, and I apologize, Gwen Gilliam.
Gwen Gilliam.
And Daniela Limones. And they're going to tell us how to decorate our Valentine's Day cookies.
Okay, this is a really cool business, guys. I want to take a look while we are getting our aprons on you and I tie. I want you guys to look at these cookies because they're beautifully designed. How did the concept of this business come to be?
I had an idea in 1983, and I developed this from that idea.
From 1983, so you've been in business quite some time.
I have, and I've been in Texas since 1985, and we are the original Cookie Bouquet Company.
All right.
And we changed our name to Cookies by Design, but we are the original Cookie Bouquet Company.
Wow, okay, so you know a thing or two about decorating.
I do, but I've done it too long, and we need a young, energetic person here to do it. So Daniela is going to decorate.
So
Daniela's here, good.
If you're a decorator, okay, so Daniela, when it comes to decorating anything at home, we obviously need the right utensils. What are you using there?
Yes, I'm using all kinds of colors. First of all, I have different kind of tips, which is the number 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
But we have sugar, we have icing, we have a lot of colors of icing. But right now for Valentine's, we're using the red, the black, and the white.
Got black for Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Just to do some outlining, or is it for those that don't have a Valentine's?
It's very sexy.
Okay, black is the new sexy.
And black dress.
Like it. How many cookies bouquets will you guys send out for Valentine's Day?
Nationwide,
Sure.
several thousand.
Wow.
So we're...
And they last longer than flowers.
They
I like
do,
it.
and they'll come all wrapped up in a nice package with a bow. So it's a nice presentation, and then you don't have to eat the cookies all at once. You can freeze some of them and save them for later, so you can have treats for a long time out of our bouquets.
You know who sent me these cookies? It's so funny. She's here today. Sharon with City Credit Union when I was in the hospital having mine. She sent me a bouquet of these.
Oh, nice.
So thank you, Sharon. She's in the green room. Yes.
Nice.
They're great. And we thought this was the best gift ever. We were all eating them in the hospital room.
Good.
All right, I'm not such a great froster. I've learned this from my competition at Sprinkles I just did a few weeks ago. So once we've thoroughly ruined it, let's just put some...
Yeah, you have
just
12 pages.
Just get a lot on there, and it'll look good and taste really well.
All right.
Do you have preset bouquets, or can you design your own bouquets?
We are by design, so we do all sorts of
There you go.
special designs, and we do the NFL and the Mavericks and all sorts of
Oh, that's neat.
specialty things.
So I got my base frosting on.
She's cringing at
Oh
me.
my gosh!
Look at I'm making
I'm
all
gonna
the
hire.
time.
I'm gonna hire you next Monday.
You are?
Yes.
Listen, I'm ready.
Okay.
This cute little thing I made.
See?
How cute.
Just have fun with it, and there's so many. You can do this at home. There's so many pre-made cookie doughs in the bakery. Not in the bakery, but in the grocery store. And
So pretty. And I think that's the way to go. I mean, you get the dough from the freezer and then you just zhuzh it up when you get home.
Sure.
How you doing over there? Ty, that's a mess. Can we show
I was
I'm not
trying to personalize it. I was going to try and put something nice.
Oh, did you put your name on it?
Well, I was going to say Ty loves Amy or something
Oh,
sweet.
see, now I'm a jerk because I made fun of it.
But now I'm not. Now I'm just going to put a big X over it. Forget it. Give me the black.
I think Danielle's winning this contest.
Let me see. Look at. See, this is the secret. Obviously, when you're decorating your own cookies at home, folks, is to take your time because we were rushing through it, and you took your time, and look at how pretty that is. So obviously, cookie bouquets are good for every occasion. I see the Mickey Mouse ones down there. Nugget would totally love that.
We have the princess and the fairies.
This is the princess? This is...
No, these are all our designs. This is the only Disney one I brought.
Gotcha. Oh, this is the
And
Disney
here
one.
is our whimsical frog, totally yours. And here is the decorating kits that we sell from the store.
So they can decorate themselves at
They
home.
can decorate themselves at home. So little instructions
This is
come
super
with it.
cute.
And then
I had to make my way over to these because do you guys see these? These look unbelievably good.
What is that? Oh, yeah, open those up.
Can I open this? I hope I should have probably asked first, but...
Oh, no. These are... Actually, that's 2 cookies, but you didn't make a sandwich.
Ty is like over upright. He's like, I'm just, whatever. I'm eating everything on this thing. Okay, cookiesbydesign.com is where you can find out more information. Order some cookies for your loved one.
All right, so heading on GMT from day to night in just 30 seconds. How can you change